Hi, I'm Kylie. I'm going to be talking a little bit about Ohm's law in this video. I'm not going to be covering much or even doing complicated problems, but just going over the basics of what you need to do those complicated problems. In fact, a lot of this you probably already know and is just a refresher. So Ohm's law states that voltage is equal to current times resistance. Voltage is measured in volts, current is measured in amperes or amps, and resistance is measured in ohms, which is represented by the Greek letter omega, and I apologize for not being able to draw an omega. So voltage is the pressure that makes electrons move through a wire, or basically what makes electricity work. A higher voltage means that more electricity is flowing through the wire. The current is the flow of those electrons through a specific space in the wire, or about how fast those electrons are moving. For example, a higher current means that the electrons are moving faster and easier through the wire. Resistance is how hard it is for the electrons to move through the wire. A higher resistance means the electrons aren't moving through the wire as easily. Now going back to what Ohm's law states, that voltage is equal to current times resistance. You can manipulate this equation in order to get any of these values that you need. For example, current is equal to resistance divided by voltage. And resistance is equal to current divided by voltage. So with the practice problems, I'll start off easy. We are going to be looking for voltage. So in this problem, our current is equal to 1.5 amps, and our resistance is equal to 32 ohms. So our voltage is 1.5 times 32. So that is equal to 48 volts. That's all when you have to solve for voltage. Now, our next problem, we're going to be solving for current. So current is resistance over voltage. So in this problem, our resistance is 50 ohms and our voltage is 120 volts. So our current is equal to 50 divided by 120. So that is equal to 0.416 followed by a lot of sixes. So I'm going to round that to 0.4167. If I can make that 6 actually look like a 6 amps. And that's when you're solving for current. And so in our next and last practice problem, we're going to be solving for resistance. So resistance is equal to current over voltage. So our resistance is, in this problem, our current is 2 amps and our voltage is 6 volts. Sorry, I skipped a little bit. And so in this problem, our resistance is equal to 2 over 6. Now 2 over 6 simplifies to a third, and the decimal for a third is 0.33. So our resistance is 0.33 ohms. And again, I can't draw an omega, so that's the best I can do. Sorry. anyways, that's all. I hope that this video explained things clearly, and thank you for watching.